Hello, I'm Glenn Bradford, Vice President of China Growth Partners, an investor relations firm specializing in Chinese equities that trade on U.S. exchanges. Today, like every day in my life, I'm going to state the obvious. I could tell you about the macroeconomic picture in China over the last 6 to 12 months and take a look into the future of China's growth, but you can read that faster than I can tell you about it, and that's what press releases are for. Bottom line, things look really good. Instead, I'll tell you what you care about. If you're listening and you know who I am, you'd think that I'm going to start talking about undervalued companies. Well, you're right. For starters, markets are not efficient. How else would I have been able to trade my friends, my sisters, and my own way through college? For example, look at the comparative values of the Shanghai Stock Exchange versus U.S.-listed China stocks. On one of these exchanges, similar companies are roughly 3 times as expensive as they are on the other exchange. Where are the deals, you ask? The U.S.-listed China stocks where you can get double-digit, sometimes triple-digit growth at single-digit earnings multiples. Now, I typically buy and recommend stocks with a smaller following than many others because the most undervalued companies are usually the unknown ones. I figure you're more interested in not losing money than feeling good about owning a more followed opportunity. So where do we begin? The first company I want to mention today is Group Holdings Corporation. It's on the OTC, the ticker symbol is ENHD, and it is a holding company that operates through 3 subsidiaries that produce, pack, sell, market, and distribute fresh and processed products to customers. Once they start producing quarterly and annual reports, the mystery as to why it's so cheap will fade to distant past. It reminds me of last year this time. The second company I want to mention today is China Infrastructure Construction Corporation. It's on the OTC as well under CHNC, and it operates ready-mix concrete facilities in China's capital. They just appointed new independent directors. Can you smell that? It smells like uplifts to me. Management has stated that over the past 6 years, Beijing Concrete has enjoyed an average annual growth rate of 30%. Not bad, eh? The third company that I'm going to mention today is China Growth Development Incorporated. It's on the OTC under CGDI, and it's the largest investor, owner, and manager of commercial real estate in the capital city of Taiwan, located in the Shaanxi province of southern China. I've talked to the company. In my opinion, book value is not the metric you want to use here. You want to use replacement value, and that's over $2 a share. Get ready for a great quarterly report, again, in my opinion. The fourth company that I want to mention today is China Sun Group. It's on the OTC as well. The ticker is CSGH, and it is a manufacturer of lithium-ion rechargeable batteries in China. You're pretty much getting a cobalt mine that is opening up this year for free. Sure, this is a little more expensive than the other stocks I'm mentioning, but the probability of losing money going forward at these prices is still lower than 90% of the companies you'll pick up on the New York Stock Exchange. That, of course, is my opinion. The fifth company I want to mention today is China Clean Energy. It's on the OTC under CCGY, and they just kicked off full operations, or at least is ramping up to full operations, and is not priced to do so. Investing is a game of being forward-looking. Some people, they still fail to understand that. Wayne Gretzky skates to where the puck is going to be. You should too. The sixth company that I want to mention today is China Medicine Corporation. It's on the OTC under CHME, and it is a situation where I'd argue that you're getting explosive REDTZ growth upside that you're getting for free. I figure you're paying below fair value price for the rest of the company and are getting something potentially huge for free. But people are always cautious when things seem too good to be true. One thing that I want to point out that differentiates me from everyone else looking to tell you to buy stuff is that I own that which I'm recommending. That is accountability. I want you to hold me accountable. I own Group, China Infrastructure, and China Growth. I own China Sun. I own China Clean and China Medicine. Is it okay if I make a prediction? Great. They're all going up. Don't tell me that I didn't warn you. This is Glenn Bradford of China Growth Partners saying, Zai Jin. Goodbye for now.